Ever felt that nagging worry about online security, especially when it comes to your digital wallet? It's a valid concern. In today's fast-paced digital world, knowing your transactions are secure is paramount. That's why Grabpay has a robust identity verification process. It's designed to protect you and your money. But how exactly does it work? That's what we're diving into today. Think of it this way: verifying your identity is like putting an extra lock on your front door. It adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for anyone unauthorized to access your account. It's a crucial step in ensuring your financial safety while using Grabpay. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's understand why this is so important. Identity verification helps prevent fraud, protects against unauthorized access, and ultimately builds trust in the entire Grabpay ecosystem. It's a win-win for everyone. By verifying your identity, you're not only safeguarding yourself, but also contributing to a more secure platform for all Grabpay users. So, are you ready to learn how to fortify your Grabpay account? Let's get started. The process is actually quite straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. First, open your Grab app and navigate to the Grabpay section. You'll usually find this within the main menu or on the app's home screen. Once you're in the Grabpay section, look for the Verify Identity or KYC, Know Your Customer, option. The wording might vary slightly depending on your region, but it should be easily recognizable. Tap on this option to begin the verification process. Now, you'll be guided through a series of steps. Typically, you'll be asked to provide some personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and nationality. This information is crucial for confirming your identity. Rest assured, Grab takes data privacy very seriously, and your information is handled securely. Next, you'll likely be asked to upload a photo of a valid government-issued ID. This could be your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the photo is clear and legible, and that all the information on the ID is visible. This step is essential for confirming that the information you provided matches your official identification document. In some cases, you might also be asked to take a selfie. This is a quick and easy way to verify that the person submitting the ID is actually you. The app will usually provide clear instructions on how to take the selfie, so just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you've submitted all the required information and documents, Grab will review your application. This process usually takes a short amount of time, often just a few minutes. You'll receive a notification within the app once your identity has been verified. And that's it. You've successfully verified your identity on Grabpay. You've now added that extra layer of security to your account, giving you greater peace of mind when making transactions. It's a simple yet powerful step towards protecting your financial well-being in the digital age. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.